Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jeep Renegade Limited. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, window defogger, and sunroof.